Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about climate change. Climate change has become an increasingly urgent topic in recent years, but unfortunately, there are still some people who deny its existence or urgency. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 reasons why climate change is real and urgent, and why we need to take action to mitigate its effects. Reason 1, the science. The first and most obvious reason that climate change is real is the science behind it. There is a vast body of research and scientific evidence that shows that the Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate, and that this change is caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. Scientists around the world agree that climate change is happening, and that it is caused by human activities. Reason 2, extreme weather events. Climate change is causing extreme weather events to become more frequent and more severe. We're seeing more heat waves, more droughts, more wildfires, more hurricanes, and more floods than ever before. These events are causing billions of dollars in damage, and they're putting people's lives at risk. If we don't take action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adapt to a changing climate, these events will only get worse. Reason 3, rising sea levels. Sea levels are rising as a result of climate change, and this is already having a significant impact on coastal communities around the world. As sea levels rise, we're seeing more flooding, erosion, and storm surges. This is causing damage to infrastructure, homes, businesses, and it's forcing people to relocate. In some cases, entire communities are being forced to move because of rising sea levels. Reason 4, ocean acidification. Another effect of climate change that is often overlooked is ocean acidification. As the Earth's oceans absorb more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the pH of the water decreases, making it more acidic. This is having a devastating effect on marine ecosystems, as many species of marine life are highly sensitive to changes in pH. If we don't take action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, we risk causing irreparable damage to our oceans and the creatures that live in them. Reason 5, food insecurity. Climate change is also affecting our food systems. Droughts, floods, and extreme weather events are making it harder to grow crops, and this is leading to food insecurity in many parts of the world. As temperatures continue to rise, we can expect to see more crop failures and more hunger. Reason 6, public health. Climate change is also having an impact on public health. As temperatures rise, we're seeing more cases of heat stroke, dehydration, and other heat-related illnesses. We're also seeing an increase in air pollution, which is linked to respiratory illnesses such as asthma. Climate change is also increasing the range of disease-carrying insects like mosquitoes and ticks, which can transmit diseases like malaria and Lyme disease. Reason 7, economic costs. Finally, we need to consider the economic costs of climate change. The costs of extreme weather events and rising sea levels are already in the billions of dollars, and they're expected to increase significantly in the coming years. In addition, the costs of transitioning to a low-carbon economy are often cited as a reason not to take action on climate change. But the truth is that the costs of not taking action will far outweigh the costs of taking action. In conclusion, there are many reasons why climate change is real and urgent. From the science behind it to the economic costs, the impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world. We need to take action now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, adapt to a changing climate, and protect the most vulnerable among us. It's up to all of us to make a difference, and we can start by educating ourselves and taking action in our daily lives. This includes reducing our own carbon footprint by driving less, using energy-efficient appliances, and eating a plant-based diet. It also means supporting policies and regulations that prioritize climate action, and holding corporations and governments accountable for their actions. It's important to remember that we are all in this together. Climate change affects every person on this planet, regardless of where they live or their socioeconomic status. We need to come together as a global community to tackle this issue and ensure a sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. So, let's take action. Let's educate ourselves and others about the reality and urgency of climate change. Let's reduce our own carbon footprint and advocate for policies that prioritize climate action. Let's work together to build a sustainable future for ourselves and for the planet. We hope this video has helped to shed some light on the urgency of this important issue. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep adding even better content. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.